All right, cord cutters, get ready for a new look for the CBSN app. CBSN is being rebranded as the CBS News Streaming Service, and you can get it for free still on multiple things like Apple TV, Roku, the Amazon Fire TV. Just look for it. You see that it's now labeled as CBS News, and you find it just like you always did. You go into search, and of course this is going to be the same with anything, and look for CBS. You want to make special note on this app that we are not talking about the CBS app. See, there's a CBS app, there's a CBS News app, there's a CBS Sports app. There's a number of different ones, but the one you're going to want to look for here is CBS News. If you're unfamiliar with this program, what it is an ad-supported, free, 24-hour news service. And what it does right now is it brings in numerous local TV channels. There's 13 live feeds from across the country, as well as a national 24-hour broadcast of CBS-based news programming. It has its own unique anchors, as well as content from various CBS News sources. You have playlists built up with programming and clips from many of their most popular shows, as well as segments from these shows integrated into the 24-hour broadcast. They recently announced that there's going to be some original shows and documentary type shows on the new CBS streaming app. So it's going to have a lot to offer. You may notice that the app also links in with CBS Sports HQ, along with the other services provided within this live TV grid. If you click on any of this stuff, you'll go live. If you click on something that happened before, you can watch that on demand. In general, this is a nice little setup that allows you to keep up with what's happening. If there's breaking news, like something happening big, if there's an earthquake or something to be seen, an emergency press conference, these guys will usually break over to that so that you can catch up with the latest of the late news immediately. But good news is it's all still free, and in the case of Amazon, it's actually integrated into its whole system so that you can find your information quickly. And that's that. The CBS News Network app is available for free on all of your favorite streaming services, and also integrated into some of the other platforms like Pluto TV and so on. I hope you found that helpful, and if you did, please subscribe, share this video with your friends, give us a like, and as always, I'm Ryan Downey, the Streaming Advisor. Stream on, my friends.